I am Artur Timenko. I am speaker of this presentation. Let's go. Automated Internet of Things system for monitoring indoor air quality. Наталья Куликовская, Артур Тименко, Светлана Грушко, Вадим Шкарупила. The article explores the potential of Internet of Things technologies in creating a comprehensive air quality monitoring system with an emphasis on the indoor environment. The goal is to improve the quality of energy devices and protect the environment by ensuring optimal air conditions. This study highlights the role of embedded sensors in creating a universal Internet of Things based monitoring system that responds to various control parameters while excluding external data. It's proposed to create an information system for monitoring atmospheric air pollution based on the results of the analysis and selection of optimal solution of the complex technologies of the Internet of Things in accordance with the proposed structure of the system shown in Figure 1 using IoT technologies. Based on the structure of the system, three main modules were selected, namely the devices module, the data processing module, and the application module. Devices consist of a system control board, various sensors, auxiliary devices for emulating their operation, components for emulating the operation of a COM port for connecting external devices via the RS-232 interface. Processing models consist of certain instructions in the code which become valid sensor detection functions. Read data from the sensors, process them according to this function, and transfer them to the data visualization module for future display. Application module displays the received data from the sensors depending on their values with big circlet in a certain color. After receiving the data, if the values of the sensors are above the limits of the accept values, the system will notify the user about the action that must be taken in order not to put yourself and health the risk and improve the air quality. These models use the Blink IoT software application and it's built in functionality to visualize the received data from sensors in the real time. The proposed algorithm consists of six main steps. Figure 2. Item first, formation of requests. Item second, subsequent processing of data in accordance with the secure section of the value. If the indicators are normal, data on the consumer sales in the component form to go to 6. Item 4, if the data indicators do not correspond to the safe path, the user will be sent an agreement with recommendation transition to item 5. Item 5 verification of changes in data indicators. Item 6 the user receives data from the sensor in converment from the applications. The following indicators were selected for the air quality monitoring system. Air temperature can affect people's comfort and quality of life. It can also affect substance dissolved in the wind and their mobility. Air humidity can affect people's sense of comfort. Air with low levels of humidity can cause discomfort and negatively affect health and quality of life. High humidity can also promote the growth of fungi and mold. Carbon dioxide, CO2, elevate levels of carbon dioxide in the air can be harmful to human health, causing shortness to breathe and other problems. They can also serve as an indicator of the decrease in air quality of the time. Dust particle PM2 and PM10. This particle is air can be very dangerous to health. They can penetrate deep into the respiratory tract and expand various lung and health diseases. Monitoring levels of the solution particle detects air pollution in time and takes necessary to prove it. Accurate measurements of local air quality limits is an aspect of ensuring a healthy and comfortable environment for living and working. This is especially relevant in major cities where people spend most of their time indoors. Measuring parameters such as CO2 concentration, humidity level, and air quality can identify your problems and help you take timely measures to solve them. It's worth nothing that Blink used to visualize data from the system's IoT sensor, as it allows receiving and displaying data in real time. A template was created after which a device was created which will receive, store, and display information from sensors. After that, a monitoring panel was created, which contains ranges of safe values for air quality parameters. Events were created that would be triggered if any indicators went out of the range of safe values. Figure 1. We also developed a system diagram, air quality analysis algorithm, and implement a monitoring system taking into account important parameters such as temperature, humidity, carbon dioxide content, and dust particles. The system reads data from sensors in real time and displays them on the monitoring panel, figure 2. Uh, when the values of any of the parameters you above or below the norm notification are sent to the message bar, which contain advice on how to improve the air quality, figure 3. It should be notated that system also provides a visualization with the help of a graph of all parameters and provides the ability to display by hours, days, and months, figure 3. Uh, Conclusions. The problem of air quality monitoring based on the automatic interaction of various devices that transmit data using the Internet of Things technology is considered. In the course of the work, the structure of the system and the method of data analysis and visualization processing results using IoT technologies such as Proteus and Blink, as well as other tools we develop. Accurate measurement of the limits of indoor air quality criteria is an important aspect to ensure a healthy and comfortable environment for the operation of devices and work. Measurement of parameters such as CO2 concentration, humidity level, and air quality can identify potential problems and facilitate the adoption of time measure to solve them. A system analysis that justification of the choice of software and technical solution which are necessary for the implementation of the system and all its stage we carried out. The use of technologies such as Arduino, Proteus, and Blink IoT made it possible to develop a real-time air quality monitoring system within the modern IoT concept. This developed system can be used as a prototype for organizing monitoring in changing environments and responding to various critical situations. That's all. Thanks you for your attention. Thank you.